35 years mark ICRA's journey of trust, growth, and lasting value. But within this journey began another story, quieter, deeper, and deeply human. For over a decade, ICRA's CSR and sustainability journey has been shaped by people, partnerships, and a belief that true impact must outlive the moment. Because change is not measured by what we start. It is measured by what continues. In a classroom, in a livelihood, in a woman's confidence, and in a community's strength. But time reveals something more. It reveals which changes last. Because the most important question is not what was done. The most important question is what remains. What remains after the classrooms are built, the lessons are taught, and the programs end? What remains after the training is completed and opportunities are created? What remains after support is no longer needed? More than a decade, ICRA's CSR journey has been guided by the belief that meaningful impact should outlive the intervention itself.
At ICRA, we measure success not by how long we stay involved, but by the lasting change that continues when communities can move forward on their own. Through our CSR initiatives, we have helped children access quality education and achieve academic milestones, often becoming first-generation learners and achievers.
Across India, this belief has taken many forms. Children from marginalized communities have gained access to education and the opportunity to imagine brighter futures. More than 8,000 students have been mainstreamed into formal education. What remains is not just education. What remains is confidence.
I come from a family where no one is that much highly educated. I lack the basic career guidance which was provided by the ICRA.
I am grateful to be part of Vidya School. I can't afford a high fee school, but Vidya facilities are top notch. Also, after joining ICRA, I noticed some changes. One of them is my confidence is boosted very much. I can now talk at stage, do group projects. Also, the session of ICRA helped me very much.
যখন প্রথম এখানে আসি তখন আমার খুবই অন্যরকম লাগতো যে আমি একাই থাকবো আর এখানে সব সময় থাকবো। তো একটু যখন বড় হলাম তখন দেখতে পেলাম কি এই দিনগুলো এখন ভালোই, যে যখন ছোটবেলায় ছিলাম এখানে দিয়েছিলেন সেটা ভালোই করেছে। কারণ কি যখন ছোটবেলা থেকেই ঘরে থাকতাম তখন কিছুই শিখতাম না, কিন্তু যখন স্কুলে এসে গেছি কিছু শিখছি বা কিছু করছি।
Over 300 children have received specialized education, therapy, and vocational support. What remains is dignity, inclusion, and the belief that every individual deserves the opportunity to realize their potential.
We have supported differently able children in developing skills, confidence, and capabilities that enable greater participation and independence in our society.
Beyond formal schooling, there exists an open pathway to learning where age, background, or past interruptions are no barriers. Open schooling creates a second chance for those who wish to continue their education, driven not by timelines, but by intent. What remains is possibility.
मैंने अपने बच्चों को बहुत अच्छे बदलाव देखे हैं और अब वह पहले से भी अधिक आत्मविश्वासी और अनुशासित बने हैं और पढ़ाई में बहुत अच्छा ध्यान दे रहे हैं। और मुझे विश्वास है कि यहाँ से शिक्षा लेकर का भविष्य अच्छा बनेगा, काफ़ी बेहतर बनेगा और वह अपने जो सपने हैं उनको पूरा करेंगे।
Through initiatives such as Digital Inclusion for Young Aspirants, DIYA, more than 4,400 youth have gained digital skills and employment-focused training, with many securing meaningful careers. What remains is confidence. The confidence to support a family, make decisions, and build a future.
So after completed my graduation, actually I was totally tensed and From here, I have achieved something which changed my life, and I am supporting to my family right now. And after all, after getting the job, I also get married. So now I am leading a very happy life with my wife. So it's all thanks goes to ICRA.
My father is a small businessman. मैं ग्रेजुएट कर रही थी आफ्टर HS, तो जो एजुकेशन का खर्चा वो भी वो खूब कम उठा पा रहे थे. तो आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग माय ग्रेजुएशन मैं अनुदीप में आई. मैं कैसे बताऊँ, मैं आती थी एक रूप से और अभी मैं हूँ इस तरह. मेरे मम्मी पापा को जो वो पसंद करते हैं मैं उठा के ले आती हूँ बस. बिगेस्ट टाइम टू ICRA फॉर चेंजिंग माई लाइफ टू दैट फ्रॉम दिस.
I think I am really very much perfect for the new world. I think I can now take challenges to the different field of my life. I feels like I am totally able to become a warrior to the new professional and new challenging jobs, which I think waiting for me to challenge myself with my new designations.
More than 4,000 women have received entrepreneurial skills, financial literacy, and mentoring support to strengthen their livelihoods. What remains is independence, the freedom to imagine a different future and inspire others around them. Because when a woman discovers her own strength, the impact continues across households and generations.
मैं पिछले 5 साल से अहमदाबाद बेस्ड बिज़नेस रन कर रही हूँ, जिसमें हम लोग हैंड पेंटेड प्रोडक्ट्स बनाते हैं, जैसे कि हैंड पेंटेड साड़ीज़ है, लहंगा चोलीज़ है, बच्चों के लिए किड्स वेयर है, कुर्ता मेंस वेयर है. पिछले 1 साल से मैं FWWB ICRA के साथ जुड़ी हूँ एंड आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक अ लॉट.
પૈસાની જરૂર પડતી હતી, પરંતુ મારી પાસે પૈસા નહોતા. પહેલાં હું ઘરેથી જ કામ કરતી હતી. મારામાં આત્મવિશ્વાસ નહોતો અને હવે મારામાં આત્મવિશ્વાસ આવ્યો તે હું બહારથી કામ પણ લાવી શકું છું અને ઓર્ડરો પણ પૂરા કરી શકું છું.
Our women empowerment initiatives have enabled women to establish enterprises, generate income, and achieve financial independence. Many going on to support and mentor others, creating a multiplier effect within their communities. The impact extends beyond individual success stories. It is reflected in stronger families, more resilient communities, and local ecosystems that continue to grow and thrive.
ICRA's environmental initiatives have focused on building a more sustainable future. Multiple plantation drives have strengthened green cover and supported ecological balance. What remains is sustainability, resilient ecosystems, and a greener future for generations to come. These sustained efforts have also been recognized through honors such as the ICSR Excellence Award.
ICRA Limited, representing the organization, may I request Mr. Amit Kumar, General Counsel, Mr. S. Shakib Rahman, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer, and Ms. Shreya Bhattacharya, Deputy Manager, to please join us on stage to collect the award.
Across education, skilling, women empowerment, and environment, a single thread connects every initiative. A story of students who became achievers, of young people who became professionals, of women who became entrepreneurs and leaders, of ecosystems that were restored and protected. Most importantly, it tells the story of people who found the strength to move forward on their own. Perhaps that is the greatest measure of impact. Not how many lives were touched, but how many lives continue to grow. For over a decade, ICRA's CSR initiatives have ensured that this impact reaches the communities that need it most. And this journey continues guided by a commitment to create impact that lasts. Because in the end, what remains is not just what we build. What remains is what continues to grow.
I want to become a data scientist.
So I want to become engineer and crack IIT JEE.
I have a dream to go study law from NLU Delhi.
If I get education with technology, I can get my career to the next level.
और हम इंटरनेशनल लेवल तक हम इनको अपने आर्ट को लेके जाएं, ऐसे हम एक्सपेक्टेशन रखते हैं.
My dream is to become a IAS officer and make my parents proud.